This time we take a look at dungeon generation in Pokemon Mystery Dungeon style. The end result will look like this. We can generate dungeons on the press of a button. Note that we are not going for a faithful implementation. When we look at one dungeon, we mainly see rooms and corridors. We can split the task up into 5 distinct phases. First, we init an empty grid with X and Y coordinates. For that, we use a dictionary with a custom tile type. Secondly, we populate all tiles with a default tile. In this case, we use the wall tile. In code, we will use 2 for loops and populate each coordinate. This is how it would look like currently. I'm using a tile map for easy showcase. Next, we carve rooms inside the walls. The room carving is probably the most complex bit of our algorithm. Make sure to take your time, and you can always check out the source code in the description for details. Essentially, we try to place rooms where no other room is yet present. Rect2i is doing some good heavy lifting since it works perfectly for our use case. When we have a Rect2i, we set every tile of this rect to tile type floor. Let's see what we got now. Rooms are created and not overlapping. Next, we connect the rooms via corridors. To carve a corridor, we travel from one center of a room to the next center in an L shape and set every tile we travel to tile type floor. For variation, we switch up the order of horizontal and vertical carving. Now let's check out our dungeon. Already looking very promising. Lastly, we introduce points of interest. In this example, we only add stairs, but it could be anything like items or enemies rarely. Randomly select a room and place a staircase in the center. That's it for this video. You can find the code and used assets in the description. Make sure to study the details of the implementation. The code is commented. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content. I would greatly appreciate that.